Today will be a very busy day. I have started my day, clearly, but I picked up a car from IAAI, or I purchased a car, and I'm gonna go pick it up. So right now I'm actually loading a jump box. I'm gonna grab a dealer plate. I'm gonna grab some oil, some antifreeze or coolant, just in case, because I'm not taking a trailer with me. And then my brother's gonna come over. We're gonna go pick up the trailer and we're gonna go buy a quad for him. And to be honest, I feel like I've been slacking last week. I've been taking it very, very easy, which I feel like I really needed it. Since I last made a video, I purchased a quad, and that's because I went quadding with my wife's side of the family. This truck, I'll explain a little bit about what's going on with the brake line. There's Fernando, he does my windshields, because as you guys can see, this is essentially what gave it a salvage title. There's a slight dent here and a slight dent up here. So the windshield is gonna get replaced while I'm gonna go pick up the car that I purchased. And going back to this, I bought a quad, so my brother's gonna go buy a quad and we're gonna go pick it up today. So, where I left off, busy day today. Right now, probably 15-20 minutes away from the auction. I don't know what time it is, like 2:30. Hopefully we could get in and get out fairly quickly, because that corridor, freeway corridor, gets backed up pretty quickly and pretty badly. So I'm trying to rush everything and to get it done on time. And I purchased a 2006 Ford Freestyle. I've been kind of eyeballing these Fords, and I've tried to buy a few of them before, but I was kind of never really serious about it. This one is limited. It's black leather, it has navigation, it's a 7-seater, I think like 105,000 miles, and I picked it up for 800 bucks. After fees it was 1124, I believe, or 1123. So I think I got it for a fairly decent price. I think actually really cheap. There's another one with a salvage title, a little bit higher mileage than the one I bought, and it's listed for I think 3,800 bucks. So I have a lot of room to make good money, and I'm hoping for a quick flip. So we're gonna do that, and then my brother's gonna come over. We're gonna go pick up the trailer, and if this Ford isn't gonna be drivable home, then after we're done with the whole quad deal, we're gonna go back and pick up the Ford with a trailer. So busy day ahead of me, and I feel like I only have maybe 3 hours to do everything, 3-4 hours. So it's high strung, if that makes sense. Does it make sense? Oh yeah, and I got the whole fam with me, so they always help. Yeah. I have made it. She's gonna put it away in the corner just in case it will not run. All right, as always, my first initial checks. Sweet. No signs of blown ahead gasket for now. We have oil. Oh, now go down there. And let's see, coolant. Looks like there's coolant in there. Yeah, it's in good level. It might need a jump, I don't know. But I'm gonna quickly show you guys the damage, which is kind of dangling like this. I don't know what this is, but there we go. Damage went underneath. Don't know if I have any zip ties, and I don't know if I'll be able to drive it like this. So good news, the car started on its own. Bad news is that dangling part underneath. I don't think I'll be able to drive with it dangling like that. So I might unfortunately have to leave the car here, which if I do, that will legit kind of suck. Thinking even like some kind of strap to find and use in order to hold it up. Just watch. I don't even know what part it is, but this is gonna scrape. And I have at least 5-6 miles to go. And I don't really see anywhere I could tuck it in under to hold it. Some kind of canister. I don't know if this thing, no, it looks like it has springs. I have no idea what this is, but if I can't find a place to kind of stash and hold it up, I'm gonna have to leave the car here and then come back with either zip ties or a trailer. So it is what it is. It looks like this is an aftermarket screen. The light came on, the oil life is at 0, so I'll need an oil change, which is no big deal, but there are no check engine lights. I don't hear any weird noises. I don't know how it's gonna be on the road. Yes, you change oil. Sounds really healthy. A little dirty, but that's no big deal. The damage is definitely more than I thought. I might have to have LKQ cut out like a bottom portion and then weld a new one in where the spare tire goes. But I'm gonna leave this thing here because I cannot safely drive it home, and I'll probably come back with a trailer just so that I don't risk it, and we're gonna go from there. So fortunately today got even busier for myself, but that's how it goes sometimes. It almost feels like a wasted trip because I was planning on driving the car back. The good news is my brother's on his way to my place, and we're gonna go pick up the trailer, probably go grab the ATV, and then go pick up the Ford. So maybe it still won't be a super long day, but you always have to expect the unexpected and be ready for it when doing car stuff, at least in this line of work. You just never know. Surprises always happen. This is low-key what I was trying to avoid, but it didn't happen. So we'll have to make this trip again. The only thing is, we will be probably going back for the car at like 5:30, maybe closer to 6. So hopefully in a few hours it won't be so backed up. I'm hungry and I have a coupon to McDonald's. I haven't had a Big Mac in a very long time. So it's buy one get one free. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but we're at McDonald's right now. We're gonna get some food and then we're gonna go pick up the trailer. The guy sent me the address. It's from my house where I live. It's like a 5-minute drive, but of course we have to drive like 20 minutes to pick up the trailer, 20 minutes back. It's gonna be a little time consuming, but we'll get it done. I'm gonna show you guys something right now. This is probably why I don't go to McDonald's. All right, well, check this out. I have only one meat patty in here, and that thing is thin. The bottom thing literally has cheese and lettuce. Cheese and lettuce. The other one is done correctly, but this one, what is this? Nah, I'm just playing it up. I really don't care, but we're gonna go back, have them fix it. But come on, man. They gave me a free coupon for like a free French fry or something. You'll have to go around. A new Big Mac, and
Dude, what the
those girls up there
hell
we're
no.
trying to get trying to get us to call them. And this guy is really upset that he forgot his phone, so he can't call him. But do what? So we got 3 Big Macs,
2.5.
We got 2.5 Big Macs right now. We got more sauce because they gave us only 2, and we got 20-piece nuggets. Okay, now we're gonna go get the trailer. Got the trailer. We're heading to the guy's house, and told multiple people this. Every time I have a Big Mac, I feel sick. stomach hurts right now. Like, I know better than to have McDonald's, yet alone their Big Mac, but sometimes cravings, man, I tell you, sometimes just you want something, you get it, and then you low-key regret it just a little bit. Didn't take a video of the quad. It was Suzuki, right? LTZ 400, I believe. I mean, it runs fine, but the radiator was leaking. So this guy decided he's gonna pass on it. So we're gonna be looking for another one, but right now we're gonna go pick up the Ford Freestyle, load it up, and bring it back to my place. He done good. All right, guys, here we are. There it is again. Here comes the fun part. Loading it up. Yeah, unfortunately, a little bit disappointed by this hanging thing underneath. Don't know what it is, but aside from that, pretty clean car. Excuse me. Such a funny guy. Tell him. Tell him.
That and a roof.
This is how well he knows cars. It's a 7-seater, so the roof is made this way so the rear occupants have more headroom. Funny man.
That and a roof.
Cold start.
You're a liar. It's a 6-seater.
No iPod. Wah, wah, wah. What do you think?
I don't know. No TVs. This car sucks.
My brother is a very high-end person. He drives a, what is a 1998 Ford Explorer right now?
It has rear vented, a rear entertainment system that you can plug your headphones into.
Yeah, but no TV.
Your car doesn't even have that.
That's almost sad. I'm gonna have him drive it up so that at least there's a video. I don't know if he's... Oh, he didn't. I'm gonna fix those. Forgot to put these supports here. I like having him here. He's pretty much doing all the stuff I usually do. Except I think he turned the wheels a little too much. But we're gonna see. Let him do this one. You're doing good. Okay, everyone, give him a round of applause. Clap, 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 clap. Time to put everything away, strap it down. Limited all-wheel drive. Curious what that part is. Loaded, strapped down. Definitely more damage than I thought, but I'm not upset. You good? You good? This is how it's usually done, but without it being recorded. Well, and it came down. I think that's gonna do it for today, guys. Got the car unloaded, picked it up, saw the little journey. I think today's video will be fairly short, or is fairly short. Didn't pick up the quad, but pretty much everything else that we wanted to do, it was done. What we're gonna do right now is take the trailer back to my in-laws, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for joining.